Few things are a certainty in Ireland. Beautiful views, creamy pints of Guinness, traditional Irish music, and giving all your profits to the government. Hi guys, Irish Wealth here. Welcome back to the channel. So I just want to say thanks for all the recent support on the latest videos. We're up to 48 subscribers now. It'd be great to try and hit 100 by the end of February. So today I'm just going to talk about capital gains tax and paying tax on your investments in Ireland. I found myself that there's extremely little information about this online, so I thought I'd make a kind of a quick, concise video on the topic. But before I do that, I just want to recommend a few Irish YouTubers who've done videos on the same topic. So Brian Bullman's a YouTuber I'd thoroughly recommend. He did a good video on capital gains tax in Ireland. And then we've got Invest with Darren, who did a really good, concise video for our beginners, Guide to Taxes on Stocks and Dividends. And then we've got the Head Startup as well, and he's done several videos on capital gains tax and taxes in Ireland. So I'd really recommend you check those guys' videos out as well. Just before we start as well, I just want to say I'm not a financial expert, I'm not a tax expert, so make sure and do your own research on it before you get started. So I'm just going to start with dividend income because they actually make this part a little bit easy on myrevenue.ie with regards to declaring your dividend income for the year. So if you're from Ireland, you'll know this page quite well on your account on revenue.ie. So what you need to do to declare your dividend income is find a tax year that you want to declare it for, and you'll click on that. So then you'll be taken to a page like this where you click on declare income, and all you have to do is click on the other income drop down and then click on dividends and distributions, and then you'll just be taken to a page where you enter the amount, and that's it. It's really easy. With regards to dividend taxation as well, the rate you will pay depends on your tax bracket that you're in. So it'll either be, I think it's 20% on the lower tax band and 40% on the higher one. So just make sure you know what tax band you're in, and you'll be able to calculate what percentage you'll be taxed on. So the next tax I'm going to talk about is capital gains tax. And this is essentially a tax that's levied on the sale of an investment property, an investment on a stock or a share. Basically any asset you sell that you've made a profit on, you need to pay this, and it's charged at 33%. Yes, 33%.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
So one thing to note is that you get a €1,270 exemption every year. So any profits that you make under €1,270 will not be taxed at the 33%, and anything over that amount will be taxed at the 33%. Right, so let's look at an example. And before I get into the example as well, I just want to highlight that your €1,270 exemption resets every year. So you're not able to carry it over from the previous year if you haven't used it. So if you haven't used it, it's gone. So let's say we buy some stocks at 2,000. Let's say you completely YOLO'd it into GameStop, and that 2,000 turned into 10,000, and you sold the stocks. Then you'll have sold at an €8,000 profit, and that €8,000 is taxable. But we can take our €1,270 exemption for the year away from our €8,000 profit, leaving us €6,730, which is taxable at 33%. And then that works out at about €2,220.90 that we have to pay to the government. So really, after that investment, you're left with about €5,800 profit. Another very useful thing to note about capital gains tax is you can offset your losses. So let's say, for instance, I bought another share and I lost 4,000 on it. I can actually take that 4,000 loss off of the profit of this sale, and then my taxable amount would be €4,000. So in terms of when you have to actually pay your capital gains tax, if you've made the sale between the 1st of January and the 30th of November of that year, you will have to pay your capital gains tax by the 15th of December of that same year. Alternatively, if you've made the sale between the 1st of December and the 31st of December, then you'll have until the 31st of January of the next year to pay it. One question I see asked very often is, what if my profits fall underneath the €1,270 exemption? Do I still need to file a return? And the answer to that is yes. It doesn't matter if you actually fall underneath the exemption amount, you still have to file a return. So I hope you guys found that video useful. I'll leave a few links to a few important documents and information on capital gains tax in Ireland, and I'll link the guys' channels that I mentioned earlier as well in the description below. If you guys have any other questions or any other areas you'd like me to expand on, please do get back to me in the comments, and I'll see if I can make another video going more in depth on anything in particular. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.